Okay, dear students, in the last class, we have seen circle diagrams of cos theta and sin theta. Okay, circle diagrams. See, in this class, what we are going to do, we will draw graphs of sin theta, cos theta, and also we will find circle diagrams for all remaining ratios, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Based on circle diagrams, we are going to draw the graphs. Why? Because graphs are also there. Graphs are also in our syllabus. Okay. Let us see how to draw a graph for first sin theta. Before drawing graphs for sin theta, let us again redraw the circle diagram. It is simple only. Already we have seen that circle diagram of sin theta. Okay. Now you see what I am writing here. Circle diagram of sin theta. Okay. This is circle diagram of sin theta I am drawing, you see. Okay, now you tell me any circle diagram, this quadrant is positive. All silver tea cups, all sin, tan, cos, all sin. That is why here is positive. Remaining two are negative. Okay. Now this is over for uh, positive or negative symbols. But what about values? Values also we have to write. See, sin is 0 here, 0 degrees. Sin is 1 here. Sin is 0 here. Sin is -1 here. How to remember this? You see, 2 plus minus, 2 plus plus 1, 2 minus, 2 negative minus 1, remaining 0. Like that you remember. Okay. Now based on this circle diagram only, how to draw graph and all, you observe carefully how I am drawing. Now I am putting heading as graph of sin theta. Graph of sin theta. Okay. Okay. You see now how I am drawing the graph. Say this is x, y, x dash, y dash. Okay. X, y, x dash, y dash. These are coordinates and origin. Okay. Now you see 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. That means 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. You divide this also. See, I am making it pi by 2, then pi, then 3 pi by 2, then 2 pi. Okay. Now in this side also, negative side. See here, negative x minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Okay. These are all in negative, these are all in positive. See, if you rotate in this way, then this is going to become this way. If you rotate in a clockwise direction, then negative angles will come. See, plus pi by 2, plus pi, plus 3 pi by 2, plus 2 pi. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Like that, these answers are going to come. Okay. Now you see, both plus 1 minus 1 is there. Those are also, let us take some dotted lines rather than full lines. Dotted lines we will take. You see here how I am writing. Let us say this is plus 1. Let us say this is minus 1. Okay. Both. Okay. Now what I am doing, you see, I am putting some dotted line. Why? Because see, dotted line can be approximately controlled for us, for our purpose only. Okay, these dotted lines -1 +1, -1 +1 I am putting in different color. Okay, you see here what I do. This is -1, this is +1. Okay. Okay. Now draw the original graph. You see 0 to 90, 0 degrees to 90 degree, and 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 1 has gone. 0 to 1 has gone. See 0 to 90. Is it correct? Now we will adjust afterwards that one. Okay. Now again in 2 pi, again it has gone to 0. Now we readjust this. Let us draw first graph. Okay. Now you see this is +1, this is -1. See from 0 at pi by 2 it has reached to 1 +1. You see from 0 at pi by 2 90 degree it has reached to 1. Then again from pi by 2 to 180 pi it has come down to 0 again. You see from pi by 2 to 0 at pi, this is pi 0. Again it has increased but in negative way, 0 to -1, but pi to 3 pi by 2. Pi to 3 pi by 2 in negative way -1. You see this is -1. Okay, again from 3 pi by 2 0, it has gone from -1 to 0. -1, this one to 0. This is 0. Okay. Same way negative also. If you rotate in a clockwise direction, it is going to become negative angle. Negative angle from 0 to -90 degree -1. 0 to -90, see pi pi by 2, -1, this is -1. Then -1 to 0, -1 to 0. Then again 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, in this way. See, this is the graph for your sin theta. Or you can adjust in same height. You can adjust in same height. And you can draw like this. Okay. Okay, this is graph of sin theta. See, this graph has come because of this circle diagram only where we could able to draw. Okay, or else sin theta values you have to take, that also you can do, but sin theta value 0 to 90 only we know. Remaining all again you have to enlarge, extended. Rather than extending, this circle diagram is there, whatever may be the values you can draw. Okay. Okay. Now let us go for graph of cos theta. Now let us draw graph of cos theta. Cos theta. See, like earlier, before drawing graph, let us draw the circle diagram of cos theta. Yes, circle diagram of cos theta. You write down. Circle diagram of cos theta. Okay, draw the circle diagram first. Based on circle diagram, you can draw the graph easily. Okay, let us see. Okay, now you tell me here all positive. Okay, positive has come. All silver tea cups C cos are all sin tan cos. Okay, remaining two are negative angles are going to come. Okay, now this is okay, but symbols and positive, negative. But what about values? Okay, values also we have to draw. See, at 0 degree cos theta will be 1. Here 0 again, 90 degree, and here -1, or here 0. See, both positive 1, both negative -1, remaining 0, 0. Like that you remember. Okay. Now, based on this circle diagram of cos theta, let us draw graph of cos theta. Same like earlier only. Okay. X and Y axis you draw first. Then we will draw the graph. Okay. Say x, y, x dash, y dash. This is 0. Now like earlier only, we will split pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Here also minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Okay, same thing like earlier only we have done. Okay, now let us draw the graph. You see here cos theta starts from 1 at 0 degree. It already in one position, 1 to 0. That means if you go from 0 to 90 degree or 0 to pi by 2, value is decreasing from 1 to 0. Okay, value is decreasing from 1 to 0. Like this it will be. Okay, you understand now? See, this is -1, this is +1, or else what I am doing, you see, simply I am drawing in a reverse side also. Okay, now see, approximately I am putting one dotted line here. Okay, now this is +1, +1, this dotted line is -1. Okay, now you come back again. See, positive angle, let us see from here to this side. At 0 degree 1, at 90 degree 0, at 0 degree 1, at 90 degree pi by 2, 0. You see now 0. Then from 0 to -1, from 90 to 180. From 0 to -1, this is -1, from 90 degrees to 180 degree. Okay. From 180 degrees to 270 degree, -1 to 0. From 180 degree to 270 degree, -1 to 0. This is 0, this is -1. You see increased. Okay. Then from 270 degree to 360 degree, 0 to 1. 270 to 360, 0 to 1. Like that you have to take. In this way, you can understand the graph in a negative angle also. See, negative angle already at 0 degree 1 is there. Negative 90 gives 0. 1 is there, negative 90 gives 0. You see 0 here. 0 degree. 0 value, not degree. 90 degree. Minus 90, 0. Like this, the graph will go. Okay. These graphs are also important for you understand the concept. Okay, how it is going on. See, cos theta starts from 1 at 0 origin, but not like sin theta. Sin theta it will shift. Sin theta start at 0 at 0. Okay, that was difference between graph of cos theta and sin theta. Okay, now let us draw the graph of cos theta, but before that we have to draw circle diagram for tan theta. Circle diagram of tan theta we have not yet seen. We will see circle diagram of tan theta, but the tan theta circle diagram how we have to draw? Based on the circle diagrams of sin theta and cos theta only, we can draw the circle diagram of tan theta. Okay. Let us draw first circle diagram of tan theta. Then we will draw the graph of tan theta. Circle diagram of cos theta is there. What I am going to do? Here I am going to draw the circle diagram of sin theta again. Circle diagram of sin theta. Okay. Okay. Again draw the circle diagram of sin theta. Okay, this is all positive, you know very well. All positive. Here all positive will come. All silver teacups. All sine, tan, cos. Sine is here. All sine. Okay. Remaining are negatives. Okay. Okay. Now you tell me what are the values. See, at 0 degree, sine theta is 0. Both positive 1, both negative -1, 0. Is this correct? Yes, that is correct. See what I am going to do. I am going to draw the circle diagram of tan theta here. Okay, here. Why? Because here we are going to draw the graph. I am going to remove afterwards. Okay. See, let us draw the circle diagram of tan theta. Circle diagram of tan theta. Okay. You observe carefully here the circle diagram of sin theta, cos theta. Okay, easily we have drawn. But from tan theta onwards, circle diagrams are little bit tricky to understand. Okay. 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 Now you see the symbols. See, this is all positive. This is tan theta. For tan theta I am talking about. All positive. All silver teacups. All sine, tan, cos. Tan. This is tan. Remaining two are negative. Okay. Now symbols are over for circle diagram. But now come for values. There you observe carefully how I am writing the values. You see, tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta over cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now here 0 degrees are there. Here 1 is there. So not 0 degree. 0 value is there. 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1. How much it will come? 0 only. You write 0 here. Okay. Now here also 0 is there. -1 is there. 0 divided by -1. How much will come? 0 only will come. You write down 0. Okay. Now observe carefully. 1 divided by 0. Infinity. See, infinity is there, but you have to write carefully. See here, positive side, positive infinity. Negative side, negative infinity. You put comma. This side negative infinity, this side positive infinity. Like that you have to take. Okay? Or else you are going to do mistake in drawing the graph. Why? Because these are applicable. You see values also like this only will come. Here from 0 to goes on increases up to infinity. From here goes on decreases from minus infinity. See, goes on decreases means minus infinity to 0 means it is increasing only. Increasing only. See, minus bigger number will come and 0 will come finally. Okay? Increasing. Okay, now you see here also -1 by 0 is infinity, but that infinity how to write? Plus side plus infinity you write, minus side minus infinity you write, you put some comma. Okay, infinity is there, but plus side plus infinity, minus side minus infinity. Like this only you have to take. That is why from tan, see, this is applicable for tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. All are infinity are there. 1 divided by 0 will come. Okay, that is why these values you have to take. Okay, now you understand the circle diagram of tan theta. Why? Because graph, unless you write this minus infinity, plus infinity, minus infinity, you are not able to draw the graph also. Okay. There is a discontinuity is there. After plus infinity, again minus infinity will come. That means both are disjoint. Then again 0. Here this is not disjoint. Continuously it is there. 0. 0 to minus infinity, 0 to plus infinity. This continuity is there. But here also 0 to plus infinity, 0 to minus infinity, continuity is there. But here there is no continuity between minus infinity and plus infinity. Here both are disjoint. That is why here you have to take such that. Okay, why? Because positive to negative it is changing continuously, means here 0 will be there. See, positive to infinity changing, positive to negative changing, but 0 is there. 0 is there means real number we know. real number from minus to negative to 0, 0 to infinity. Sorry, positive will go. But what about infinity? Infinity side like this only you have to take. Okay. This is circle diagram of tan theta. If you understand this, then let us go for graph of tan theta. I am going to rub this. These two are not required. See, without these two, you are not able to draw the circle diagram of tan theta. Okay. Okay. Let it be for cot theta also we have to draw. If space is available, then we are going to draw here only graph. Okay. Okay. What I am going to do? Let me try to restrict this like this. Okay. Let us draw graph here. Okay. If possible, I will draw. Otherwise, I am going to rub the remaining thing. Okay. Now I am writing here graph of tan theta. Okay, graph of tan theta. How I am going to draw the graph? You observe carefully. X dash, y dash. Okay, this is common. Okay, now you see this is 0. Okay, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi. See, from tan theta onwards, let us draw up to pi only, minus pi only for graph. Okay, that is enough. Up to 2 pi, positive side we will draw. Okay. Now you see here also like 0 is there both side and minus infinity plus infinity are there. What we are going to do, see, because infinity are there, we will draw some vertical lines to understand infinity, or else you are not able to understand. Okay, see, these are vertical lines, vertical dotted lines I am putting to understand the graph properly. You see, from positive only we will do first. 0 to infinity has gone from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to infinity has gone from 0 to pi by 2. Understand now? See, now it is not touching this line infinity. You don't know what is the ending of that line. Okay. See, from pi by 2 to 0, minus infinity to 0 will come. See, pi by 2 to pi, pi by 2 to pi, minus infinity to 0, pi by 2 to pi, minus infinity to pi, 0. Okay, see, minus pi, minus infinity to 0 from pi by 2 to pi, minus infinity to 0, pi by 2 to pi. Then pi to 3 pi by 2, 0 to infinity, pi to 3 pi by 2, 0 to infinity again. Okay, you draw this a little bit in this way. Okay, okay. Now, from 3 pi by 2 to 0, minus infinity to 0 again. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. That means 270 degree to 360 degree, minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0 again. Okay. Afterwards, same it is going to repeat, but stop up to 2 pi only. Okay. Now, we go in negative angle in this way again. Why? Because we have come here. In this way also we will see 0 to minus infinity, 0 to minus infinity. You understand now? Okay. See, this is from 0 to 90 degree, 0 to minus infinity. From 90 to 180, infinity to 0. 90 to 180, infinity to 0. Infinity means plus infinity to 0. You see, 90 to 180 plus infinity to 0. Have you understand this graph? Yes, this is tricky. That is why you have to little bit carefully observe. Okay. See, in negative area, positive area, all we have drawn this graph. Okay. For your examination also, if it comes, you can draw in positive side up to 2 pi, negative side minus pi is enough. Why? Because pattern you have to understand. Pattern you have to understand. Okay. Now, let us go for circle diagram of cot theta. First, let us draw the circle diagram of cot theta. Then we will go for graph of cot theta afterwards. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to rub this. Okay. Okay. You see. All silver tea cups. Okay. All silver tea cups. Okay. Sign here 0. Here plus 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 1 minus 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 1 0. Okay. This is circle diagram for sin theta. Okay. Now I am writing here circle diagram for cot theta. You carefully observe. Circle diagram for cot theta. Why? Because tan theta over. Now we are seeing cot theta. Cot theta again you require this sin and cos. Why? Because cos divided by sin we have to take for cot theta. Okay. Let me draw first a circle and divide and put symbols first. Here all. Okay. Now you tell me all silver teacups, all sin tan cos. See, cot is at tan only, positive. Okay. Here positive. All sin tan cos. Remaining two are negative. Okay. Now see, cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. Earlier tan theta we have taken sin theta divided by cos theta. Now cos theta divided by sin theta. See, here 0 divided by 1. 0. You put 0 here. 0 divided by minus 1. 0 divided by minus 1. 0. Put 0 here. Okay. Now observe carefully. 1 divided by 0. Infinity. But how to write this infinity? Like earlier, see, positive side positive infinity, negative side minus infinity. Okay. At this point minus infinity, at both are disjoint. There is no continuity. Okay. Infinity minus infinity. Okay. Here also you see minus 1 by 0. Infinity. How infinity? Minus infinity plus infinity. Okay. Here minus infinity plus infinity, minus infinity plus infinity. Minus side like tan theta, cot theta also plus infinity minus infinity we have to take there according to this symbol. Plus side plus infinity, minus side minus infinity. Both sides. Okay. Now let us draw the graph of cot theta. Now we are drawing graph for cot theta. Okay. Let us draw graph of cot theta. Graph of cot theta. See, I am writing here graph of cot theta. Okay. Graph of cot theta we are writing. Okay. Drawing the graph of cot theta. See, this is y dash. X dash. Okay. Now let us draw divisions. Division is see pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Likewise here also minus pi by 2, minus pi. Okay. Up to negative side up to minus pi is enough. But positive side you take from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. Now you see here cot theta, see these two now you forget. Why? Because for cot theta circle diagram we have drawn this. You see this cot theta circle diagram, graph of cot theta, circle diagram of cot theta. Okay, now you see at 0 degree itself it is infinity. In positive side, positive infinity to 0. That means positive infinity to 0, it is reducing. Positive infinity to 0, it is reducing, means you see how it is coming. Positive infinity to 0. But because here you don't know what will be the value. That is why this is positive infinity. Negative infinity means bottom side it will come. Positive infinity to 0. Again, from 90 degree to 180 degree, 0 to negative infinity. You see 0 to negative infinity. What I am going to do, see here, I am going to put some vertical lines. Vertical dotted lines, or else you are not able to understand. Why? Because these vertical lines are going to control also, even for understanding also these are required. Dotted lines, vertical dotted line. I can say vertical dotted line. Okay. Now you see. See again you come back. Minus infinity to 0, 0 to pi by 2. From pi by 2 to pi, 0 to minus infinity. From pi by 2 to pi, 0 to minus infinity. Understand, na? Okay. Again, same is going to repeat. I have drawn, but see, let me explain. See, after pi again for 270 degree, 180 to 270 degree plus infinity to 0. 180 to 270 degree plus infinity to 0, again it is going to come. From 272 to 0 degree, 360 degree, 0 to minus infinity. 272 to 360 degree, 0 to minus infinity. You understand, huh? See here graph is not dotted lines, graph is red line. Red line only the graph. Okay. Now we go in back in reverse direction, negative angle. See negative angle from 0 to pi by 2, minus infinity to 0. Okay. 0 to pi by 2, minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0 means how it will come? Here will be minus infinity to 0. You understand now how it has come? Red line is the graph. 0 to pi by 2, minus infinity to 0, pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to minus pi, 0 to plus infinity. See, minus side pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to 180, minus 180, minus pi by 2 to minus pi, 0 to infinity again. Okay. This is the graph of cot theta. Okay, these are not that much difficult, but see, tricky. I can say some tricky. See, easily you cannot understand, sir, how it is coming in positive infinity and negative infinity. See, unless you take these, you cannot get this graph. You see, unless you take this analogy. Why? Because you simply keep in your mind, at 0, continuity will be there. At infinity, there is a discontinuity. Disjoint. Okay, disjoint sets we have seen. Okay, now let us go for after cot theta, sec theta. Sec theta means what you want? You want cos theta. Cos theta, based on cos theta, you are going to draw circle diagram of sec theta. Let us draw sec theta circle diagram, then we draw graph of sec theta also. Okay. Now what we are doing? We are drawing circle diagram first for sec theta, secant theta, based on cos theta. But I have not removed this. Why? Because again we require this for cosecant theta. That is why let it be here only. But I am drawing here for circle diagram of secant theta, sec theta. Okay. Write down again. Circle diagram of secant theta. Circle diagram of secant theta or sec theta. Okay. This is circle. We have made 4 portions. Okay. Now here all positive. All silver tea cups. You see, secant is where it comes. Cos area will come. Cos is where all sine tan cos is here, remaining to minus negative. You understand now how this have come? Carefully how to observe. All silver tea cups, C cos, secant is inverse of cos, 1 by cos is secant. Okay, now we have drawn circle diagram and symbols, but values we have to keep. How to keep values? See, secant theta is 1 by cos theta, 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by minus 1, minus 1. Okay, until now, okay. Now you go original one. 1 divided by 0, infinity. What infinity? Plus side plus infinity, minus side minus infinity. Minus 1, sorry, not minus 1, only 1. Why? Because here we don't require sine theta, only cos theta we require. 1 divided by cos theta is going to give secant theta. 1 divided by 0, infinity over. Again 1 divided by 0, same thing going to come. Plus infinity, minus infinity. Both are disjoint, discontinuous. But here, here also continuity is there, but up to 1 only. You see here 0 not come. Infinity to 1. Again it has not gone to 0. Here 0 will not come. You see. 0 will not come. That is the specialty of secant theta, sec theta. Now, let us draw graph of secant theta also. We don't remove these two. Okay, why? Because see, cosecant theta, again this we require. At the time we remove this and cosecant theta we will draw here. Why? Because further we don't require cos theta. Let us draw graph of secant theta. Okay. Graph of secant theta. Graph of sec theta. Okay. See, this is x, y, y dash, x dash. I have taken. Okay. Now see 0. Okay, 0. And this is pi by 2. Pi. 3 pi by 2. 2 pi. Okay. Now minus pi by 2. Minus pi. You take up to minus pi, negative side, enough. But this side you take up to 2 pi. Okay. Now here, like earlier, see infinity is there. That is why vertical lines also you have to draw. And 1 minus 1 is there. That 1 and minus 1 line also you have to draw. Okay. What I am doing, you see, vertical lines I am drawing first like this. See, vertical line, these are control for showing infinity. Undefined. Undefined means infinity. Larger number means infinity, like that only you can take. Okay. Now what I do plus 1 and minus 1. This is symbol. See, let us take this is minus 1. This is plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 and plus 1. Or else we will take a little bit inside. Say this is minus 1. This is plus 1. Okay, plus 1 and minus 1. You draw some dotted line. Okay. See, these both are for plus 1 and minus 1. Horizontal dotted lines. Horizontal dotted lines are minus 1, plus 1. Why? Plus 1, minus 1 are there. We have to show. We have to see from that line. Okay. Now, see, original graph we have not yet drawn. Original graph I am drawing now. You see, observe carefully. 0 degree to 90 degree. 0 to pi by 2, 1 to infinity. Here not 0 to infinity. That is why that horizontal dotted line we have taken. 1 to infinity from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, 1 to infinity. This is 1. Okay. Then from pi by 2 to pi. Minus infinity to minus 1. Pi by 2 to pi. Minus infinity to minus 1. Don't touch 0 area, you see. This is minus 1, this is plus 1. Okay? Okay, you see. Minus pi to minus 3 pi by 2, minus 1 to minus infinity. Minus 1 to minus infinity. Okay? Again, from 270 degree to, in this way we have to go. In this way, okay. Minus 1 to minus infinity. Okay, over 270 degree. From 272 to 360, infinity to 1. 272 to 360, infinity to 1. That means positive infinity to 1 is there. Okay? This line is 1. This line is minus 1. Dotted line. These are vertical lines for controlling infinity. Why? Because these never touch this line. If you touch automatically, that is not going to become infinity. Okay? Same way this side also. Negative side we will come here. This side. See, from 0 to 90 degree, 1 to infinity. 0 to 90 degree, 1 to infinity. Positive infinity. Positive infinity. Okay? Okay, now from 90 degree to 180 degree, minus infinity to minus 1. From 90 degree to 180 degree, minus infinity to minus 1. That's enough. This side up to minus pi is enough. But this side up to 2 pi you draw. Now see, original graph is this blue line. Blue line are original graph. Okay? Observe carefully. These are discontinuous graphs only, not continuous. Like sin theta, cos theta, both are continuous graphs. But tan theta onwards all disjoint are discontinuous graphs. These are very important to understand. Okay? Now we finished the graph of sec theta. Final one is cosecant theta. Let us draw graph of cosecant theta also. But before drawing the graph of cosecant theta, we want circle diagram of cosecant theta. Circle diagram of cosecant theta comes from sin theta only. 1 divided by sin theta. 1 over sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Okay? Okay, we will draw circle diagram of cosecant theta here. I am going to rub these two and this one also. I want sin theta for circle diagram of cosecant theta. Like earlier, draw circle, divide it, put a symbol all. Okay, now you see all silver teacups. Where cosecant comes, sine area only, 1 divided by sine. Okay, sine area, all silver, remaining 2 are minus. Okay, this is over. Now you come to values. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. 1 divided by sin theta. 1 by 1, 1. 1 divided by minus 1, minus 1. 1 divided by 0, infinity. But you see carefully here, positive infinity, here negative infinity. Understand na? Carefully you have to understand. Here 1 divided by sin theta, 1 divided by 0, infinity, plus infinity, minus infinity. You understand na? This is tricky, free. Only sin and cos are fair, remaining all like this only will come, discontinuous. But in one continuity is there, minus 1 continuity is there, but in negative infinity area, continuity is not there, discontinuous, disjoint. Okay, let us remove this sign. We don't require this sign again. Okay. Now let us draw graph of cosecant theta here. That will be our final graph. Graph of cosecant theta. Say x, y, y dash, x dash. Okay. Now 0 origin. For cosecant theta, whatever it may be, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Here minus pi by 2, minus pi. Up to minus pi we will take. Pi by 2, pi. 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. Minus pi by 2, minus pi. Okay. Here also if you observe, see 1 minus 1 are there. That is why vertical lines and horizontal lines. For infinity vertical lines, for horizontal line, for 1 and minus 1 also required. Okay. Let me draw how I am drawing, you see. You observe carefully. These are minus 1, 1. For minus 1 and 1. Okay. This is for plus 1, this is for minus 1. Minus 1 and 1. Okay. Now, let me draw vertical lines also. Vertical dotted lines for controlling this infinity. Okay. Now we can draw the original graph. Okay. See, 0 degree, two infinities are there. If you rotate it in a positive direction, then positive infinity to 1. Positive infinity to 1. From 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 90 degree, 0 to pi by 2, plus infinity to 1, 0 to pi by 2, plus infinity to 1, plus infinity means here it will come. 0 to pi by 2 plus infinity to 1 has come. Then pi by 2 to 180 pi plus 1 to plus infinity plus 1 to plus infinity. That is why I have already drawn this graph. Okay. Okay. Now you see, from 180 to 270 minus infinity to minus 1. 180 to 270 minus infinity to minus 1. That means you see, like this will come graph. But it don't touch this infinity, that line. Okay. Okay. See, this is circle diagram of cosecant theta. We know, that is why I have removed the, or else I will write like this. Circle diagram of cosecant theta. Okay. Now you see the graph. See, we have drawn up to 2 pi. Why? Because you see, from 270 to 360 minus 1 to minus infinity. 270 to 360 minus 1 to minus infinity. See, this is minus 1, this line. Minus 1 to minus infinity. Okay. You understand now? See, these are also discontinuous. You see, positive side, negative side we have not yet drawn. Negative side also will go. You see, negative side, if you take negative infinity to negative 1. Negative side, negative infinity to negative 1. That means how it comes, you see, negative infinity to negative 1. Is it correct? Up to pi by 2 you see negative infinity to negative 1 it has come, then negative 1 to negative infinity again. You see negative 1 to negative infinity value. Okay, negative 1 to negative infinity. These are enough. Why? Because see, negative side you take up to pi, minus pi. Positive side you take up to 2 pi. For sine cos you take both sides up to 2 pi. Okay, those are easy. Why? Because the examiner wants to know whether you know the concept or not. By drawing up to minus pi and plus side 2 pi, examiner is well enough to understand that you know the concepts. You take this circle diagram. Without this circle diagram, you are not able to draw the graph. First point. Second point, simply infinity you don't keep. Plus infinity, minus infinity, plus side, minus side. Definitely you have to keep. Then only these continuous graphs are going to come, or else these graphs are not going to yield. Okay? Okay. Now we finished all graphs. Sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant, cosecant, all. Now final one concept has left, that is domain and codomain. Domain and codomain, how this will come? This will come based on our values only, trigonometric values. Again I am drawing here values, then based on that we will draw the domain and range of trigonometric functions. Okay. Let me write rather than 0 degree, I write now 0 pi by 6 like that. Why? Because that also you have to understand carefully. You have to accustom those also very important. Trigonometric values. Okay, how I am drawing, you see, this is theta 0, then pi by 30 degree means pi by 6, then 45 degree means pi by 4, then pi by 3 60 degrees, then pi by 2 90 degrees. These are okay. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degrees. Okay. 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. You write here sine. You write here cos. You write here tan. You write here cot. You write here secant. You write here cosecant. Okay? Okay. Okay. We will try to adjust this space. Now, let us draw the values of this sine, cos, tan. Let me I don't think space is enough for us. Okay, let me write. Okay, sine 0 is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, again 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Why? Because I just reversed, I told you earlier. Okay, please watch my old videos. Okay, tan 0 by 1, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity, infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Secant theta 1 by 1, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, 1 by 0, infinity. Again infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Okay. These are the values of trigonometric functions. Okay. Okay. Let me write domain and range of trigonometric functions. Okay, domain and range of trigonometric functions. Okay. Now what I am putting heading, you see, this is function, this is domain, this is range. Okay, function, domain, range. Okay, you observe carefully what I am writing. Sin theta or sin x. See, when I am writing function, you can write x also. Okay, sin theta or sin x. Okay, domain, you tell me domain, what you are able to give. Domain means input only. range is output. What you can give for sine theta? Any restriction is there for sine theta for giving domain? No restriction is there. Minus infinity to plus infinity, anything you can give for sine theta. Okay, there is no restriction. Then what you have to write? You have to write domain is R, minus infinity. Sine theta, anything you can give, any value, minus infinity to plus infinity. That is why domain for sine theta is R. Okay, any value you can give, but after 360 it is going to convert again into less value and it is going to give result to you. Okay, now what about range? Range is output. Y, this is x, that is y. X is input, y is output. You see now these values, how values are coming? 1 is coming. Okay, but negative also 1 is coming. You see 0 to 1 is there and 0 to minus 1 is there. Then you can take it as minus 1 to 1. You see minus 1 to 1 means in between 0 is also there. 1 is there na? Sine theta circle diagram, if you see 0, 1, 0, minus 1. That means 1 will come, 0 will come, minus 1 will come, 0 will come. This is sine theta circle diagram I am talking. In sine theta, minus 1 is there, 1 is there. More than minus 1 is there, not there. Less than minus 1 is there, not there. 0 will come between minus 1 and 1, you know very well. Okay, then range of sine theta is minus 1 comma 1. Okay, now you tell me whether minus 1 1 is open bracket, open parenthesis, or minus 1 1 is closed bracket. This one or this one? There. You tell me now. Minus 1 1 are coming means closed bracket only. Those are coming. You see 1 is coming. 1 is coming result. That means you have to take closed bracket. You understand na concept? Okay. Same will appear for cos also. You see 1 0 is there, R and this thing. You need not discuss much about this cos theta. Let me write this one. Why? Because this circle diagram also values are reversed. Here 1 0 minus 1 0 will come for cos theta, but same type of values only going to come. I am writing here, you see cos theta. Okay, domain is like same R and the range is minus 1 to 1, same like sin theta only. These values are going to appear. Okay, now go for tan theta. Observe carefully in tan theta. Why? Because tan theta not like earlier. Okay, tan theta also, can you give all real numbers? Can you give all real numbers tan theta? You cannot give. Why? Because you see tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta is in denominator. Cos theta should not be 0. If it becomes 0, undefined. Okay? If it becomes 0, undefined is going to become. We have to define the function, not undefined function. Okay? Then cos theta should not become 0. Where cos theta is becoming 0? 1, 0, minus 1, 0. This is for cos theta. Cos theta becoming 0 in these two areas. 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Cos theta is becoming 0 in these two areas. What are these two areas? 4n plus 1 pi by 2, 4n plus 3 pi by 2. But if you combine these two, 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Yes, you write r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay? R minus 2n plus pi by 2. This is domain. That means cos theta should not become 0. Cos theta is becoming 0. These two you have to omit. That is why domain itself you have to control. Then what about output? Output real number will come. Okay? Minus infinity to plus infinity will come. You see here, if you have doubt, this real number, you see here, tan theta, 0 to infinity, 0 to minus infinity also, the same results are going to come now for minus infinity also. See again circle diagrams are very very important. Okay, here Sine is 0 means 0 0 will come. Sine is 1 here, but cos is 0. That is why here infinity means here how? For tan plus infinity minus infinity plus infinity minus infinity. This is the circle diagram for tan theta. Tan. You see minus infinity plus infinity minus infinity plus infinity plus infinity minus infinity. Both will come. This we have written up to 90 degree only. 0 to 90 degree. If you further extend, automatically minus infinity also will come. That is why result, see these are results, output, range, okay, R will come, real number, minus infinity to plus infinity are going to come. Okay, now let me draw cot theta. Cot theta. Okay, see like tan theta, cot theta also cos by sine. Okay, I am drawing here, you see. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That means sin theta should not be 0. If denominator 0 means this function is going to become undefined. Function we have to make defined. That is why sin theta should not become 0. Okay. Where sin theta is becoming 0? 0, 1, 0, minus 1. You see, in these two areas, sin theta is becoming 0. These two areas, what are those? 2n pi, 2n plus 1 pi. Here pi, pi by 2, pi by 2. 2n pi, 2n plus 1 pi. If you combine these two, n pi. That means here cos theta is domain, you have to give r minus n pi. Okay. See, this is minus r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, r minus n pi. Okay. Now what about output? Cot theta, range. You see cot theta, minus infinity to 0 means infinity, minus infinity will come. Okay. Minus infinity. See, all are going to come minus infinity plus infinity. We have drawn graphs also. From tan theta to cos theta, all are plus. See here, plus infinity is there means minus infinity also will be there. Plus 1 is there means minus 1 is there. Plus 1 is there, minus 1 is there. And infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity. You understand now? If rather than 1, 0 is there means minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay? Cot theta minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity, what is going to call? R, real number. You write real number R. Tan theta, cot theta, range both are same, but domain are not same. You see difference are there. Sin theta, cos theta, domain, range both are same. By comparing also you have to memorize. Okay. Now we go for secant theta, sec theta. Secant theta. Secant theta. Okay. Secant theta also problem is there. Why? Because secant theta 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means cos theta should not become 0. You understand na? Secant theta is 1 divided by cos theta. 1 over cos theta. Cos theta should not become 0. Where cos theta is becoming 0, how we have controlled? See here, tan theta area we have controlled. Sin by cos, there also denominator cos is there, here also denominator cos is there. Denominator should not become 0. That means r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2 here also will come. Same you copy. You understand how it has come? R minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Why? Because down denominator cos theta should not become 0. Denominator here also cos theta will come, here also cos theta will come. Here numerator sin theta, here numerator is only 1. 1 divided by cos theta. Denominator should not become 0. That is why r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2 both area. Okay, that is over. Now you see here. Observe carefully here. Range, some tricky range will come. We take range as y. Y. Okay. You observe here secant theta, sec theta, 1 to infinity, minus 1 to infinity are going to come. Okay. 1 to infinity, y 1 to infinity, 1 is coming, yes coming, you see 1 has come. Okay, minus 1 to infinity, or I can say minus infinity to minus 1. Why? Because minus 1 is bigger than minus infinity. Is going to come. Whether minus 1 is coming, yes, minus 1 is also coming. This is y. Y is range. You see, 1 is coming, yes coming, 1 is coming, 1 is coming. Up to infinity, infinity is coming. But infinity side, can you put equal to symbol? No, you never keep equal to symbol infinity. Infinity, you see, if this you want to write, you write like this. But because 1 equal to is there, that is why open closed bracket. But infinity never become closed bracket. Infinity we don't know the value, that is why open bracket only, parenthesis. Okay. How to write this one? This one also you see minus infinity to minus 1 but closed bracket. Okay. This you have to write here. But simply how to write and all, you see how I am writing. See, greater than 1 but up to infinity. Shall I write like this? Y is greater than 1 or equal to 1. I have not given any control. See, greater than 1 means it is up to infinity. That's all. Okay. Another one, less than 1. Y is less than 1 or equal to 1. Sorry, minus 1. Greater than 1, you see here, greater than 1 y, but up to infinity. Up to infinity I need not write. Greater than 1 if I write written and left means up to infinity. Okay, no control. Up to infinity. Less than 1 or equal but up to minus infinity. Less than 1. Okay, that you have to keep carefully. Observe carefully. Now let us go for cosecant theta. Okay. Cosecant theta also same problem as got. Why? Because cosecant theta 1 over cos sin theta. Sin theta should never become 0. If sin theta becomes 0, then undefined is going to become. Sin theta where is going to become another where cot theta. See how r minus n pi, same you repeat here also. Understand na? Why this has come? Why? Because see, cosecant theta 1 divided by sin theta. Divided by means denominator. Denominator should not become 0. If your denominator becomes 0, the function is going to become undefined. Cosecant theta, to make it defined, sin theta should never become 0. Sin theta where it is becoming 0? It is becoming 0 at n pi. What is this n pi? This n pi is 2n pi to n plus 1 pi. Combine of 2n plus 2n plus 1 pi. Okay. This. What about this range? Same. You see 1 infinity in 1 infinity. Same you copy. Need not give further explanation. Y greater than or equal to 1. Y less than or equal to minus 1. Okay. You understand now all this? Without this and without circle diagram, you are not able to draw this domain and range. That is why concepts have built up like that. Okay. Without these results, without this circle diagram, you are not able to draw this domain and range. Domain and range are very, very, very important, I can say. Okay? Okay. Now we finished all the concepts. What we do in the next class, we start exercise 3.2. Okay? Thank you very much.